If you're like me, as soon as you see how AI automations work and what they can do, your mind starts running with all the tasks your team does and how these workflows can help. And this is actually where most people get stuck. How do you narrow down a world of possibilities into one pilot project? How do you make sure you're investing your time and energy on the right tasks? And how do you know those task automations are going to deliver? Well, that's why we built this AI automation audit. This tool is designed to help prioritize tasks for AI automations by rating their impact and your readiness. To start, you will enter in the different tasks you and your team do or don't do enough of. Keep it specific. Don't write down social media as a task. That's not a task. Instead, write repurpose blog content for social shares or curating thought leadership content, commenting and posting. Those are tasks. You can also categorize each task for grouping later. Once you've written down all your tasks, the tool will ask you to rate the impact of automating those tasks. In other words, if AI and automation can do 85% of the work, what type of value would it create? So you rate each of the tasks 1 to 5 across 6 different categories. Next, you're going to rate each of those tasks based on readiness. In other words, are all the pieces in place to build the automation, or is there some prep work required? For example, do you have a statement of process? Are templates available? Does an asset library exist? All of these things determine how quickly AI automations can be built and activated. And then finally, the tool is then going to score, prioritize, and map all of your tasks in an easy to read quadrant, giving you a clear plan of action. Tasks will be broken down into 1 or 4 priority levels. Automate now. The impact justifies the effort, and you've got everything in place to start building today. Start prepping. The impact is significant, but there's some prep work that needs to get done first. Quick wins. These are lower impact automations, but can be completed quickly, and when stacked up, may create real tangible value. And then finally, revisit later. These are low impact tasks that still require a decent amount of prep work. Sandbox these for another time. The tool is free to use. And at the end, download a PDF report breaking down your tasks and the ratings to share with the rest of your team. I hope it proves helpful in planning out your AI powered automations.